Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shahzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Ping IT Computers. So today we will do a lab on Windows Server 2022 iSCSI target or iSCSI initiator, or you want a virtual disk and you want to use it in your cluster but you need a shared disk to two servers. So how you can use this iSCSI target server as a virtual disk, or as a, you can say, your SAN storage, where you can use this disk for your cluster servers to add there as a LAN or as a iSCSI initiator. So let's go. We will do our lab. Here I have installed two servers, which is our one server, Windows 2022. I have created this one for the iSCSI target, and second member server, we will use the disk as a with the iSCSI initiator. So meanwhile, we are running with this lab. Already these two computers are joined with the domain controller. It's not compulsory, but you can use it as a in your environment to make a one domain controller. Later on, you can use it as a cluster disk also. Okay, let's go to our iSCSI target server. This server will act as a iSCSI target. It will provide us some virtual disk. Okay, we'll use this one. Sorry. Okay. So this is our iSCSI target server. This is Windows Server 2022. We'll use it as a iSCSI target. So you have to go into your server manager, and you can see this is our uh, iSCSI target server, Windows 2022 Standard Edition, and I have joined the domain. Here is pingitcomputer.com. Okay, so we'll go and start using iSCSI files, because it is always here in the iSCSI, but we will go back to our dashboard, add a role here. I'll bring it here. We'll do next, next, next server roles. It's include under the files and servers. See, here we go. iSCSI servers. You can use iSCSI targets, or I will choose all full file server you can install, but iSCSI targets. Okay, and iSCSI, which and this one, we both features we install, but only required this one for the lab for iSCSI target server. Next, next, and install. So it will take a little time to install these all iSCSI target server as a target server. And meanwhile, I will show you my C drive. We have here C drive 150 60 GB, and we'll use some GBs for creating a virtual drives. So it's installed. See, installation successfully started. Okay, so I will close again, and we can go again for our server manager. And in the server manager, we'll go under our files and storage. And under files and storage, you can see now more options here. So we'll go iSCSI, and here we'll create new iSCSI virtual disk. Here is a new wizard, and this is the server name, our target server, and this is the total space we have for creation a new, and this is the default path. It's at C drive. It will be iSCSI virtual disk folder. There it will create virtual disk. So we'll go next. Here you can give a disk name. Okay, one will create a fixed disk and one will create a dynamic disk. So I will show you the difference between these two in the description. We will create same. Next. Okay, so we have space on C drive 149. So we'll give like 10 GB. Our fixed drive. Fix is, and what is dynamic, what is fixed? Fixed mean like in VMware when you see thin and thick. Same concepts here. So fixed size is thick and dynamic is thin. So we'll go this one for fixed. Next, here is a new iSCSI target. So new iSCSI target, we'll create a new one. We'll go next. Here is the address we have to give. New iSCSI target. What is your target? You can give it here. Okay, this is our name for the iSCSI target. This is the target. Uh, Next. Now we'll add our access servers. The servers who's gonna use this virtual disk, that servers we will add here. If you know the IP address and this way you want to connect, it's okay. But always use IQN number. First browse the server. I'll go look at my SRV. Check if there is any server. Okay, there is 10 server. We'll use this server as our iSCSI target computer. iSCSI computer which will use the drives. Okay, next. Okay, done. This is our server is here, and next we'll go here. If you want to use authentication chap, you can use it, but we will not use here. So you can use it. It's good for the security in production. People use this one iSCSI for the security reasons. This chap enable, you can do it. Next, confirm this is the disk and create. So it will take a little time and create our disk. Close. Okay. See, one disk is here. So we'll go and other disk we'll create. We'll create two disks. This was fixed. Next disk we will create as a iSCSI disk, virtual disk, dynamic. Okay, so this is disk 2. Which one we'll use as a dynamic? Then I will show you the difference between of them. Next, so this one will use 15 GB and we'll use dynamic expanding. Next, target same we will select, same target. Okay, next and create. So second disk is also created. So one target, we are using two disks. And if you go on a C drive in this computer, C drive, you can see here is the one folder which is iSCSI virtual disk. And if you go, we have two disks. One is fixed, one is dynamic. And fixed, you can see we gave 10 GB. It is 10 GB is here total. But this one we gave 15 GB, but it's showing 4 MB some KBs. Okay, so it means because this is not a fixed drive, this is dynamic. That's why even though it's a 15 GB, but it's showing only usage here. So that's the difference between these two. Okay, our drives are ready. Everything is fine. Look at this server IP address, CMD. I'll go and check the IP address of our target. Here we go. Okay, 192.168. It's 5. So 5 is here. We will go on this server, which is 6. Our IP address is 6. We'll check the ping first. Okay, so we will go CMD, we'll ping. First, our target server is pinging or not. I will show you the IP address first. See, IP address is 6, so we will ping 5. If it is pinging, we are good to go. Okay, sorry. Ping. Okay, so we are receiving ping from our target server, iSCSI. Okay, first thing you have to go to your server manager, and then you have to go tools, and here is iSCSI Initiator. You have to click on that because by default when you install a server, the iSCSI service is not running. When you click on here, so it will say, can I start the Initiator service? I said yes. Okay, and this one meanwhile I will close. I don't need to open this one again. We will close this one. Okay, iSCSI is automatically open, and then service is running. So here we'll give our target server IP address, which is 20.5. Quick connect. Okay, here is the iSCSI target which we created there. It's already succeeded. Login is succeeded. If there is login issues or something, you can restart the server and it will fix. Okay, and we'll go here. Okay, and now you can, if you go here, there is no disks because we have to go in disk management. Okay, you can go this way, or either you can click on a server manager and computer. It is in the tools. We'll go computer management, and in the computer management you can see your disk management, and here you can see your both drives here. I'll do little up. See, one 10 GB and one 15 GB. So we'll initiate, initialized, okay, and create a new volume, and we'll go a volume CL disk fixed, okay, our fixed disk. Okay, next, finish. It's formatting and our fixed disk is there. This one we can do online, initialized. Next, this one is our dynamic disk. Next, finish. See, we have both disks, and if we go now in our this computer, and you can see you have a full, both disks are here. So these disks are ready for use. So in dynamic or in disk, I can create some new folder. I can create new text files and some more files. If you want, you can create it here, rename, so it's ready. So here we have data on that, and if you want to increase later on the drive size, you come into disks. Okay, iSCSI shares and disks. Here is two disks online. Here is our disk. Wake up. Okay, see, disk is 10 GB, 15 GB. So we can right click, extend. Here we can, like 10 GB, we can extend 6 GB. Okay, size be larger than current size. Okay, current size is 10, we can go 12 GB because this one is fixed drive. Okay, and it's now went to the next, and then we can make dynamic one, extend 15, we can make it 20. Okay, again connected. And if you go here and see, we will refresh, or you can restart the initiators service, or you can go into your device manager, into the disk management. You will see, sorry, disk management, and you can see the disks are here extended. So these disks are extended, even though you can create a new disk, new volume here, and you can say second fixed, second disk fixed one, finish. It will create another one, or you can extend this volume available like this, finish. and then it's extended to 20 GB. So here we go. See, our drives, another one fixed too, and this is the old one, which is already have a data, nothing, no impact. Even you increasing or making a new one, dynamic is also there, and you can create here also some files. So this disk also you can use in your cluster. Our upcoming videos are coming on the cluster, so we can create these disks, and we will use in the failover cluster, Windows failover cluster. So this is the lab today. Hopefully you like it, and if you guys like my videos and my labs, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Take care. Bye bye.